I'm missing Christmas so much on the second week. Hey guys, show you this. It's come in, I just thought, right, okay, so how to get residue off the head. I just plonked this on my head and I thought this could be useful. So let's do a little bit of cotton wool again. See, put it on, gonna need the glasses on, staring into the camera. I've got a mirror just behind. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Can't get away from Christmas. So this is what I do. You know, you can base it like cleaning your head because I guess less solvents on your head, it's not a bad thing. So I'll put the cotton wool on my head and then get it towards the middle. Let's have a look. Yeah, and I'll do that until that's ready. New form of hair replacement. The snow look. Right, okay, so yeah, if you're struggling, system won't go on properly, just put a bit of cotton wool on. Head out for a night out. Right, so pretty much you can see there. So on this principle, I'm not going to bore you doing all the head, but I've just removed it going back without using as much solvents. But what I will do, once I get all of this off, is I'll spray C22 into my hand. In fact, I'll do it for this front bit. I don't want to, again, I want to bore you for going on, but I'll put C22 on the front here, onto my hand, and do that. And that helps get the residue off once I've cleared all the head. So I've still left this all tacky, but to show the principle of taking it off your head. Okay, right, let's get on. I'll do the rest in the shower room. Take care and speak to you next week.